Greetings, class, and welcome to Nursing 792. I just wanted to take a few minutes and walk you through the Brightspace course. So let's go ahead and click on the Start Here and Course Materials tab. And one of the first documents that you'll want to be sure to take a look at includes the timeline. So let's take a look at the timeline because you will see that the spring term does move very quickly. Sometime after January 2nd, I would like to meet with you via Zoom to discuss Chapter 3 and to answer any questions that you have. Your Chapter 3 draft is due just 2 weeks after the start of the semester. It is due February 1st. And that is because that draft needs to come to me as your chair, and I'll make some comments, and then you'll respond to those comments, and then you'll move the chapter 3 to your second committee member. You'll respond to that committee member's comments, and then you'll move the paper to your external stakeholder. So we do need to start very early. Your final paper is due March 20th. So it's very important attention to deadlines, very important attention to deadlines because we do move very quickly. Please note that completion of 1,000 hours of practicum must be complete by April 1st. We do need you to submit Form F by May 1st, as well as the student and preceptor evaluations. Please do take some time to review your defense date and to be certain that your committee members are still available. I want you to be aware that there are rubrics available here in Brightspace for both the presentation as well as Chapter 3. There is a presentation PowerPoint template for you to use. I have included the DNP Advanced Nursing Project guidelines as well as some presentation guide tips for success. So please do take some time to look at those. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Pay particular attention to the rubrics. The rubrics will make it clear what we are looking for across Chapter 3. For each of your assignments, you will submit in the assignment link box. This includes your draft, your final paper, your practicum hour spreadsheet, etc. Please note that some of these documents also do need to be uploaded into the DNP portfolio shell. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. And again, let's plan on meeting sometime after January 2nd because the spring term will move very quickly. All right, thanks so much.